Online affiliate marketing business, a real success. That's exactly what it is. It is one of the best systems to set up and work on online, affiliate marketing. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and I'm here to give you more information about this excellent system, affiliate marketing. Once you get started in it, the system I'm offering you is one that I've been looking for years. In fact, 9 years. I've been working online with affiliate marketing and all the time looking for that extra special, real system. And I found it. And this is the one I'm offering to you now. Now, the system itself comes in the form of videos. All you do is you watch a video, and the video then tells you to do a certain thing. Having explained it, it says, now do this. You complete that, then you go on to the next video. Complete the task in that video, and they're all little pieces all the time, and they're just building. Now, by the time you finish the course, you have completed the course, but also you have now built an online business. Now, how's that for a perfect system? And that's exactly what it does. It teaches you each piece as you go along. It's not a case of, here you are, just do this, stick this on. You know exactly what each piece does. So you can set the system up in any niche you require. Whether it's, but at the moment, I'm working in the internet marketing niche. You could go into keep fit, help the aged, whatever you like. The choice is yours, but the system basically is exactly the same for everyone. You start and you complete each section and away you go. And then once it's completed, it works virtually on its own. You don't have to tweak it and touch it. Yes, you do comparisons. You do split testing and various things like that, which you learn all those things in there. You learn everything about it because you've done that as one of the sections as you go along. And by the time you've reached the end, you have an extremely good system which will now keep you going for years and years. And that's exactly what you want. So, once you click on the link in the description box below, the top link, and that will take you directly onto my email page. Once you get onto my list, all you do then is wait for additional emails to come from me, and each one of those will give you more information about the system. Now, it's not just one, it's 4 emails, and you're going to get more and more information to show you how excellent this system is, so that you'll be ready to jump in because you've been looking for something like this. This is why you clicked on this link in the first place, because you're interested in setting up your own business, interested in affiliate marketing, working from home, all of those things. Everything is covered completely in the system. So all you do is click below and I will see you shortly and then guide you through, and that's exactly what I do. I won't get you on the list and then bombard you with everything. No, I will get you on the list and then I will help you to get to your success, to get to your finish point, to get where you want to go, to get a business online. And that's what I will help you to do. Right, talk to you soon. Just click on the link and I will see you later. Bye for now.